Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Webmin panel from a VPS securely, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Webmin securely from your VPS, begin by connecting to your server via SSH. Use your preferred terminal application for this process. Log into your VPS with your root user credentials. Once logged in, ensure that your system is updated. You can do this by running the command apt update and apt upgrade y for Debian-based systems. For Red Hat-based systems, use yum update y. Next, stop the Webmin service to prevent any disruptions. Execute the command sudo service webmin stop. After stopping the service, proceed to uninstall Webmin. For Debian-based systems, use the command sudo apt remove webmin y. For Red Hat-based systems, run sudo yum remove webmin y. Following the removal, you should delete Webmin's configuration files. On Debian-based systems, type sudo apt purge webmin y. On Red Hat systems, you may need to locate and remove configuration files manually from /etc/webmin. To ensure that all remnants are cleared, check for leftover directories. Run sudo rmrf/etc/webmin. After this, verify that the Webmin package has been completely uninstalled. You can check this by running dpkgl grep webmin for Debian or rpmqa grep webmin for Red Hat systems. There should be no output if the uninstallation was successful. As a final step, it's advisable to reboot your server. Use the command sudo reboot now to restart your VPS. This ensures that all changes take effect. You have now securely uninstalled Webmin from your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.